Friends, welcome to technical and option chain analysis. So in today's video we are going to discuss one of the option strategy called short straddle. So before I start the strategy, I just want to share some of the information about the option Greeks. So we have total 5 Greeks and one of them is a theta. So in today's strategy we are going to use that theta parameter. So if you are trading in options, then you might be aware of a theta, but if you are not aware of a theta, let me tell you what is theta. Theta is nothing but a time decay. So if a particular stocks or index, if starts and ends at the same price, then the options value will be decreased by what value that will be that says the theta value. So if I'll go to the option chain, so this is the option chain of Nifty, and if I'll show you the Greeks over here, you can see the theta. So theta says that the value is minus 17. It means if the Nifty close at this particular strike price by the end of the day, then the value, the premium of this particular strike price will be decreased by this value. So this is all about theta. So now let's go to the strategy. So we have to use this strategy when we feel that the market is going to be a range bound. So if I'll go to option chain, so today is the 8th of October, and if we see the option chain, we can clearly see we have a strong support at 11,800. We can see the open interest is almost 70.7, and if we see at the call side over here, we can see we have a strong resistance at around 11,900. We can see the open interest is 73.2, and if I'll show you the open interest from the morning, I have taken a snapshot over here. I'll show you. Yeah, if you see this snapshot is at around 940, we can clearly see that the at the money price, at the money strike price is 11,850, and we can see at 11,800 we have a strong support, and at the same way on the 11,900 we can see we have a strong resistance, and that support and resistance is still that at around 11. We can clearly see at 900 we have 74.9 open interest, and at the 11,800 we have a strong support, and the open interest is almost 72. So now if I'll show you the chart, see, we can see at around 925 the Nifty was trading around at 11,850. So what we have to do at this particular time, we have to short 11,850 CE and PE both. Now if I'll show you the value premium at this 925, we can see the CE was trading around at 27 rupees, and the PE was trading around at 32 rupees. So we got a premium almost 59 over here. So now if for the whole day, now if Nifty is trading in between this range, then we'll get a good profit, as today is a expiry. Today is the 8th October, so today is a expiry and the theta will be very high. As of now, we can see the Nifty is trending around at 11,886, and the premium, if we see we sold the CE at around just a second, we sold the CE around at 27, and it is trending around at 44. And if we see the PE, we shorted it with at the price of 32, and it is trending around at 11 rupees. So if we see, we got a premium of 59, and if we deduct it by minus 44 and minus 11, we have a profit of 4 points, and as the lot size of Nifty is 75, we would be in a profit of around 300 rupees as of now. So as we can see, the Nifty has moved the upper side as of now, so the call is giving loss while the put is giving profit. So as you can see over here, I have drawn a horizontal line at a resistance 11,900 and 11,800 support line. So as of now, if we do some chart analysis over here, I'll show you. We can see some wedge pattern over here. Yeah. Which indicates that the Nifty will come down little bit from over here. This is a upper wedge pattern. Now let's see all the possible cases in the Opstra. So I am using one website. This is Opstra. Over here we can put our strategy, and we can see all the possible cases over here. So let me just go to the Opstra. So as we have sold the CE at the price of around 30.27. Let me just add it in options, and expiry is going to be 8th of October, and the strike price is 11,850, and we have sold one lot of C at the price of 27. We have sold one strike. Yeah, let me add the position. And the same way we have sold the P at strike price at the premium of, just a second, 37, I guess 32. So we have sold it with 32. Yeah, let me just add the position. Yeah, so as you can see over here, we got a graph of this short straddle strategy. You can see over here the break even comes is 11,791 on a downside, and the upper side the break even is going to be 11,909. If you see over here, let me, yeah, at 11,909 our profit and loss is 00, and the same way on the downside our downside limit is 11,791. so as you can see over here, our profit would be 0 at this particular strike price, and the maximum profit that which we are going to get, that is around at 4,275 at the price 11,848. so this is how it works, the short straddle, and if it breaks the 11,900, then we have to do the adjustment. So again, I just want to add the reminder that we have to use this strategy only when we feels that the stock or index is going to be a sideways. So now if we analyze the option chain, we can still see the 11,900 is a strong resistance, and if we go to the chart, yeah, as we have discussed, this was the upper wedge pattern, and we have discussed that Nifty will correct for some points over here, and we can see the red candle. So that's it for the today. Thank you friends for watching this video, and if you like it, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you friends.